So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber makes a major update to the driver app. Uber rolls out Record My Ride feature in more cities. Are there privacy concerns? Do you still have to wear a mask as a driver?
You don't have to, but like some people still do.
Yeah.
But most don't.
So Record My Ride lets both riders and drivers record audio of their ride on their phones in the event of safety issues. But should you worry about your privacy? Here's how it works. Read that.
So riders and drivers can add the safety feature in the app's safety toolkit section. When it's enabled, the option to record audio.
Oh, sorry. You're reading
that. Can be initiated by hitting start. That way, both parties can begin or end a recording at any time during a trip, and the feature automatically shuts off after a trip is completed.
So what do you think about that?
To me, it sounds like it'll use way more battery.
You think just to record audio?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be running the whole time. But like, you should keep a charger in your car anyways at all times. And
yeah, that's true.
I mean, it seems good to me. Like, if you don't have a dash cam, which like you should have a dash cam anyways.
I have a dash cam.
Yeah.
I just got one.
We should make a video like how to set up.
Yeah, we should. Once I get my SD card.
Yeah.
That's a really good idea, actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty good. I think it's a pretty good thing. I think it's a step in the right direction.
Yeah.
So just know though that like if you're a driver, like your passengers might be recording you. Just know that.
If I were the CEO, I would just send a dash cam to all the drivers anyways.
Yeah, I agree, for safety.
Because like, I mean, it sounds like it'd be a lot of money, but it's not.
It would save a lot of money too.
Yeah. Yeah, because like if you sign up for Postmates, they send you an insulated bag to put
Yeah,
the food
that's
in.
true.
So it's like, it wouldn't be that hard to just send every driver.
And you know they can order them in bulk from China for like $2 a pop.
Yeah.
Like I'm sure Uber can work that out.
Yeah.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.